Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Figma. In order to do so, here we are at figma.com and we're all logged in. You are going to need to go through a sign up process, but once you're signed up, then they do offer a free version where you can have 3 free pages. So let's go ahead and just go through Figma and see what we have here. So the first thing it's asking is, what do we want to make today? A website, a mobile app, or a desktop app? Let's go ahead and go with a mobile app. Okay, so we could see here that we can edit our text. Let's just go ahead and go through the tutorial here. Select once to select text or twice to edit it to select text that deeply nested. Hold, and this does seem to be set up for Mac. So I'm assuming that is going to be Control on the PC, but let's go ahead and just continue. You can change the size, opacity, layout, and more of your current selection from this right side panel. From here, you can set the fill of your selection to a color, gradient, image, or video. Use these tools to create new frames, text, and shapes. You can also quickly find settings, components, plugins, and more with the Actions tool. Find more templates. Finally, you can find more pre-made reusable bits from the Assets tab of your left side panel. Just drag and drop what you need onto the canvas. Okay, so we have a few different options here. I guess let's just go ahead and click on one and see what happens. Okay, so we have a variety of options to actions, sheets, activity views, alerts, app icons, buttons, etc., all for creating our app here. So let's see. Okay, so we can create our products. We have various sections here, titles. Let's see. We have our checkout page. How do we, there we go. So we can go there. Okay, so we've got checkout. So everything seems to already be more or less set up with this template. And let's see if we can change the template up. So we did have this here. Let's see. We'll go to examples. So insert instance. Let's try that out. Okay. So that just put that entirely in there. Not sure if we want to do that. Let's see if we can take that out. Yes, we can, just by hitting delete. Okay. So this does seem to be, I would say, let's see, let's try changing our titles. Can we change our titles? Let's see. Okay, so double clicking does seem to, okay, that takes us where we want to go. Okay, let's do a little bit of a deeper investigation here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so it seems as though we have more functionality here where it says file. This is really where you can go through the different elements and really dial them in and edit them the way that you want. So for example, taking a look here at the banner, I wanted to try to find out, okay, how do you go through the different dots here? Well, we come down to banner. If I just close that up for a moment, and then we can open that up, and then you have the pagination here. So we can go ahead and click on that, and then you can see here now that we have the different pages of our banner, and we can also change our banner title. So if we wanted to, let's say we're going to update that to, okay, so if we wanted to go through and change our banner title, and then let's see here, going through the different ones. Okay, let's go ahead and see here. I think what we would want to do is change the image for the different pages. So we would have to go through the process then of changing that all up. But this seems to be a much more engineered towards a store. Let's take a look here at the titles. Okay, so we have here on the left-hand side. Okay, so I see. So we have different items, and we can change the image for the item, and we can change the title. So if you're looking to build an online store, you might want to take a look at Figma, because it really looks like you can create your store and really have everything that you need in order to design it exactly the way that you want. And it really does look like they've just figured out how to do something pretty special here, just as far as all the different options that you have available to you. Being able to create an app like this, it's a little bit different from some of the AI app making software that's out there. This is much more hands-on, and you really have the opportunity to go through and change all of these different parameters. So I would say that if you're looking at creating a website, if you're looking at creating a store or something of the sort, then you might want to take a look at Figma. It does seem like it's a very smart setup. It is going to take some time to go through all of these options. Let's go ahead and take a look here to see if we have any tutorials or anything like that that we can take advantage of. Okay, and we do. Up here at the top left-hand corner where it says main menu, if we click on that, then we can come down here to help, and you can see that we have some video tutorials here. So I would definitely recommend, if you are interested in taking advantage of Figma, they have a bunch of tutorials here that you can take a look at. It does seem like a very in-depth platform, which is good if you are looking to build a website or looking to build an app. I mean, you want to have all of the different functions there at your disposal. So if you're familiar with Squarespace or other platforms like that, it really seems like Figma is in that vein, but they're definitely offering a lot of tools here to be able to create whatever app, website, whether it's for mobile or desktop. You have tons of options here to be able to create whatever kind of app or website that you're looking to create. So that's pretty much, we'll leave it at that. We could spend a lot of time going through and just showing you exactly how you could do this here, but I did want to bring attention to the share option here at the top, and we also have a preview here. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the preview. Okay, so this is how this is going to look on a mobile device. And let's see, can we click on the different functionality here? No, so this is just to look at this. Let's see here, responsiveness. Let's try that. Okay, that just changes the size there. But this gives you an idea of how that's actually going to show up on somebody's phone. And here, if we hit the share option, then we can share this with anybody who might be working on this as well. If you have a team, then you can share that with them, or you can publish this as well. So if we hit the publish to community, here we go. So we can add our final details, go through the steps there. So we'll go ahead and leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you will find our top AI tool recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.